there is some cool projects. I mean, one of the cool projects that I really like is the Raider network. It's a layer 2 solution that uses Ethereum as its layer 1 technology, and where I guess it ensures the security and everything else to make sure there's not a double payment happening on the Ethereum. So Ethereum sorts that out. But it's a payment channel, and this payment channel allows you to make transactions at incredible speeds. And where we're looking at Ethereum at the moment and hoping that we're going to scale up to 500 transactions per second in time, 27,000 transactions potentially without privacy and so on. In time, Raiden is going to be millions of transactions per second. And with millions of transactions per second, you don't only allow payments between you and I and everybody else as human beings, we allow something to develop further, and that's the Internet of Things, where technology starts talking to each other, not only to receive payment, but for example, autonomous cars are coming. And how does an autonomous car talk to another autonomous car, where the two companies are rivals and don't really trust each other? Well, the blockchain is that trustless machine that allows one company to send out a little bit of a transaction to say, I'm going to be turning left into your lane, and the other car slows down to being a courteous driver to allow the other autonomous vehicle to come in front of it. And that's going to happen instantaneously. It's going to happen very quickly. It's going to cost very little to do it. We're talking microcents. And that means that suddenly we have a society where cars can drive around on the streets and not have accidents. And that's really exciting. That's a very basic description, but in future we'll have a lot more exciting things that will make our lives as human beings a lot easier. God forbid we ever get into AI and they start making decisions for us. But certainly from
Skynet.
Skynet. Oh, that's a big meme. but certainly from where we are at the moment in terms of just dumb Internet of Things. For example, your car registers as being 5 minutes away, so it's time to turn on the lights and warm up the house with the air conditioner because it's a cold night.
Yeah, and I think it's a convergence of emerging technologies is coming, as you just described. It's a scenario where blockchain meets AI, meets smart cities, meets IoT. So I do think in the future all of this is going to work together, and ideally that's a future that we're going to be moving towards. And as a consumer, it's going to be so much easier moving forward.
Absolutely. I can't wait for the day when I can vote via my mobile phone instead of having to go wait in a queue to go and vote. That's going to be super exciting.
You're going to miss out on all the sausage sizzles at the schools.
And meeting all the politicians. I'm so excited about that.